Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to place the control knob on the Samsung washer. Let's get started. First, pull a piece of heavy-duty string tight and slide it between the control screen and control knob. Then, pull the string down to wrap around the top of the knob. Now, gently pull the string away from the control screen to partially release the knob to give enough access to use your hands. Place your fingers around the knob and firmly but gently wiggle the knob until it releases. This may be tricky. If you have a bad knob and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washing machine to make sure you get the correct part. To install the knob, you need to line up the flat edge of the knob with the flat edge on the knob shaft. Align it, then push it until it snaps back in place. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.